Do unexpected expenses stress you out? An emergency fund can protect you from financial surprises. Today, I'll show you how to build one fast, step by step. Step 1. Understand why it matters. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It helps cover medical bills, urgent repairs, or sudden job loss. Without an emergency fund, even small emergencies can become a big problem. Step 2. Set a clear goal. Decide how much you want in your emergency fund. A good starting point is 3 months of essential expenses.
Write down this goal to make it real and trackable.
Step 3. Track your spending. Before saving, you have to know where your money is going. List all your income and monthly expenses. This helps you identify areas to cut back and free up cash for your fund. Step 4. Save first, spend later. Set aside a portion of your income immediately, even if it's just 5 to 10%. Consistency is more important than amount. Regular saving builds your fund faster over time. Step 5. Automate your savings. Use a separate account and set automatic transfers every payday. Automation keeps your funds safe and untouched, making saving effortless. Step 6. Cut unnecessary expenses. Reduce eating out, pause subscriptions, or shop smarter. Redirect this money straight into your emergency fund. Step 7. Use extra income wisely. Any bonus, freelance earnings, or side hustle money should go directly into savings. Step 8. Start small, think big. Even a small amount counts if you save regularly. Your fund will grow faster than you expect. Step 9. Track your progress and celebrate milestones. Check your fund monthly and reward yourself when you reach your goals. Start today. Be consistent and give yourself financial security. Like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving tips.